Hello everyone! Good morning! So for today's video guys, this is another gala na naman here in Toronto. This will be part 3 of walking tour here in Toronto. As you can see guys from my previous video, I have been doing a walking tour here.
A few moments later.
So yun nga guys, naligaw tayo kaya hahanap tayo ng tamang bus. Trivia nga pala guys, dito sa Canada is allow yung cannabis. So kaya kailangan masanay ka na sa amoy. Kasi minsan pag naglalakad ako dito, bigla na lang makakaamoy ng nag-smoke ng gamit yung cannabis. Grabe. Ang sakit lang sa ilong. Alam ko ba bakit nila ginawang legal ang paggamit ng cannabis dito sa Canada. Grabe, napaka-strong niya guys. Ito guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, hindi kita kung anong oras pwede kayong mag-book for seminar training session. So So guys, I went to the Cathedral Church of St. James. It's an Anglican cathedral in downtown Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It is the locations of the oldest congregation in the city, with the parish being established in 1797. The church, the fourth on the site, began constructions in 1850 and opened for services on June 19, 1853. It was one of the largest buildings in the city at that time. It was designed by Frederick William Cumberland and is an example of Gothic Revival architecture. So yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa St. James Cathedral Church. Yeah. Palabas na tayo. Hello guys! Alam niyo ba, sobrang na-amaze ako dito sa St. James Cathedral. I know I'm not Catholic guys. I'm not against of that. But I really appreciate how they make this church. It's really good and very creative. And I think ito yung old design ng mga church dito, diba? Before. So, ang ganda guys. Super ganda dito. I recommend this area to visit when you visit the Toronto, Canada.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So guys, what I have noticed here in St. Lawrence Market, I think there are a lot of restaurants here, and you can have the chance to choose what are the food you're gonna order or what the food you are gonna eat, because there's a lot of varieties of food here. So yeah guys, and usually they have only dine out. Hi! You're here again.
A few moments later.
You know guys, what I have noticed here, this area, it looks like European style. Like the place are old design. I think if you are, kumbaga kung para ka nasa Asian time, sobrang old ng paligid. Para ka rin nasa Quebec, Canada. Yun lang yung masasabi ko guys.
Look on the map.
And also guys, I wanna show this, I don't know how they call it. It's not a tower, but you know, I usually see it on the Facebook that this is one of the tourist spot here. You know, this building guys. Yeah. The one in the middle. Guys, ito yung nasa gitna nito. Grabe, sa Facebook ko lang ito usually nakikita. Pero ngayon nakita ko na siya personally. And look at that, guys. Ito yung tayo nakikita sa video, sa mga Facebook. Yeah, nasa center siya. Ito kasi yung lugar nito, guys. Para siya European style. Gusto ko lang sa inyo i-share itong moment na ito. Makita ko sa personal. Ayan, usually ko siya nakikita sa Facebook at hindi ko akalain na makikita ko siya personally today. Kasi nag-iikot ako dito sa St. Lawrence Market at dito lang pala siya makikita. Hi guys, at may nakita pa nga ako dito. Isa pang park. At grabe, sobrang daming tao dito guys. Hindi na yung mga nakakambara. Ganda talaga siguro pag nakatira kayo sa western country. Dami kayong makikitang tao. Nagkatambara. Ayan guys, may pang-fountain yung kapita. Ito ata yung sinasabi nila last time nung nakita ko sa Facebook na yung dog fountain. Ayan, magkasat yun guys. Magkasat nilang dog fountain. Yun nga guys, isa pa sa nakita ko sa Facebook, itong dog fountain. So, hindi ko rin nakalain na makikita ko siya dito sa St. Lawrence, malapit sa St. Lawrence natin. So, grabe guys, unexpectedly, lahat ng mga nakita ko sa Facebook, dito ko lang pala makikita sa lugar na ito. So, dito guys, marami rin mga bench, tables, and chairs para pwedeng tumambay yung mga tao. So, hopefully guys, nagustuhan nyo yung video natin ngayon. Sana magpatuloy pa rin kayo sa panonood ng ating video. So, hanggang sa muli na lang.